Hi everyone, this is Holly Kirkpatrick with the Upper Yampa Water Conservancy District, and welcome back to our Fill and Spill series, where we're using the Yampa River Dashboard to track spring runoff. Today, we'll be looking at the year-over-year comparisons tool, which I think will help answer questions that we often hear this time of year. This tool can be found in these three categories. So I'm just going to click into Watershed Health, scroll down to year-over-year comparisons, and you'll see that it auto-populates daily stream flow and daily snow water equivalent, or SWE. Those happen to be the two metrics that I want to look at today, but if you wanted to look at other metrics, particularly as you follow this progress throughout the spring runoff season, you could look at metrics like daily water temperatures, snow depths, or cumulative precipitation by dragging and dropping the metrics you'd like to see in these boxes. Because we already have stream flow and SWE pulled up, I want to take a closer look at these. So you'll see that it's already showing, it auto-populated the historical min, average, and max, 2024 and 2025 data for both of these metrics. I'd like to change that. I've recently heard a rumor that we are tracking similar to 2021, which was a pretty dry year, if you remember, and I want to see if that is true. So let's use this year-over-year comparisons tool to see if we can make our own conclusions about that. If you go down to the Select Years drop-down, I will just click on 2021. That adds 2021 to the graphs above. And this looks a little busy. So what I would like to do is take off the historical min and max and 2024 data on both of these graphs so that we have a clearer picture of how 2025 is comparing with 2021. When we look at the SWE here, we can see that the SWE peaked in end of March, early April in 2021, and we're still seeing that SWE increase through the first week of April. And then when we look at stream flow, you can see that the stream flow is also significantly higher as we look into early April than it was in 2021. Now, we know that a lot can change throughout spring runoff season, but we do have some proof here that the SWE in 2025 is much higher than the SWE in 2025, and we're also seeing higher stream flows. So I hope that you find this tool useful as you continue to track spring runoff from home. And don't forget to follow us for more helpful tips in our Fill and Spill series each week. Thanks so much.